Dog script. Dogs are known for their unwavering loyalty and diverse personalities, making them cherished companions worldwide. With over 340 recognized breeds, each with unique traits and temperaments, dogs offer endless variety. From the energetic and playful Labrador Retriever to the dignified and protective German Shepherd, these animals enrich our lives in countless ways. Their intelligence and ability to form deep bonds with humans have earned them roles as service animals, working alongside people in various capacities. Whether as loving family pets, skilled working dogs, or champions in sports like agility and obedience, dogs continue to captivate our hearts with their devotion and endless capacity for love. Cat script. Cats have long been revered for their independence and mysterious charm, making them one of the most popular pets globally. With their agile movements and keen senses, cats navigate the world with grace and curiosity. Domesticated over thousands of years, cats have adapted to diverse environments while maintaining their unique personalities. From the playful and affectionate Maine Coon to the elegant and aloof Siamese, each breed brings its own flair to households around the world. Known for their grooming habits and nocturnal behaviors, cats form deep bonds with their owners, offering companionship and comfort. Whether curled up on a sunny windowsill or stalking prey in the backyard, cats continue to fascinate and delight with their innate grace and enigmatic nature. Chicken script. Chickens, often underestimated for their intelligence, play crucial roles in agriculture and ecosystems worldwide. Domesticated thousands of years ago, chickens have evolved into various breeds, each with distinct characteristics and purposes. Beyond their role as egg layers and meat producers, chickens exhibit complex social behaviors and hierarchical structures within flocks. They communicate through vocalizations and body language, displaying empathy and cooperation in surprising ways. As omnivores with varied diets, chickens contribute to nutrient cycling and pest control in agricultural settings. With ongoing research highlighting their cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills, chickens continue to inspire admiration for their resilience and adaptability in diverse environments. Elephant script. Elephants, with their majestic presence and social complexity, are among the most iconic and beloved animals on Earth. As the largest land mammals, elephants form deep family bonds that span generations. Their intelligence is evident in their problem-solving abilities, memory retention, and intricate communication through vocalizations, gestures, and tactile cues. Found in diverse habitats from savannas to forests, elephants play crucial roles in shaping ecosystems and promoting biodiversity. Despite facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict, conservation efforts strive to protect these gentle giants. Through education and advocacy, efforts are underway to ensure a future where elephants can thrive in the wild, continuing to inspire awe and reverence for their extraordinary nature. Cow script. Cows, revered for their gentle demeanor and agricultural importance, have been domesticated for thousands of years. Known primarily as providers of milk and meat, cows also play significant roles in sustainable agriculture and cultural traditions worldwide. With various breeds adapted to different climates and purposes, cows contribute to global food security and rural economies. Their digestive systems facilitate nutrient cycling in grazing ecosystems, enhancing soil fertility and biodiversity. Beyond their economic value, cows hold symbolic significance in many cultures, representing prosperity, fertility, and sacredness. Efforts to improve animal welfare and promote sustainable farming practices aim to balance the needs of cows with environmental conservation, ensuring their continued role in shaping landscapes and livelihoods. Tortoise script. Tortoises, renowned for their longevity and slow-paced lifestyles, inhabit diverse habitats from deserts to tropical forests. With their distinctive shells and terrestrial habits, tortoises have adapted to survive in challenging environments. Their herbivorous diets and efficient water retention mechanisms enable them to thrive in arid regions where food and water are scarce. Tortoises play essential roles in seed dispersal and habitat modification, influencing plant communities and ecosystem dynamics. Known for their methodical movements and resilience, tortoises symbolize patience and longevity in cultures around the world. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and combating threats such as habitat destruction and illegal wildlife trade, ensuring these ancient creatures continue to enrich ecosystems and inspire admiration for their remarkable adaptations. Dogs, often referred to as man's best friend, have forged an inseparable bond with humans over millennia, evolving from wild wolves to become one of the most diverse and beloved domesticated species on Earth. With over 340 recognized breeds, dogs exhibit a stunning array of sizes, shapes, coat colors, and temperaments, each uniquely adapted to different roles and environments. From the loyal and protective nature of the German Shepherd to the playful and affectionate demeanor of the Golden Retriever, dogs have ingrained themselves deeply into human societies worldwide. Beyond mere companionship, dogs serve essential roles as working animals, assisting humans in tasks ranging from herding livestock and hunting to search and rescue operations and guiding individuals with disabilities. The domestication of dogs began thousands of years ago, likely initiated by wolves who ventured close to human settlements in search of food scraps and protection. Over time, these early interactions led to mutual benefits, with humans providing food and shelter in exchange for companionship, protection, and assistance in various tasks. As humans migrated and settled in different regions, dogs adapted to diverse climates and lifestyles, contributing to their remarkable genetic diversity and versatility. Dogs possess an extraordinary capacity for learning and communication, capable of understanding complex commands and forming deep emotional bonds with their human caregivers. Their keen senses of smell and hearing make them invaluable partners in law enforcement, detecting drugs, explosives, and missing persons with remarkable accuracy. In therapeutic settings, dogs provide emotional support and comfort to individuals facing physical or psychological challenges, showcasing their intuitive understanding of human emotions. Beyond their roles as working animals, dogs enrich our lives through their playful antics, unconditional love, and unwavering loyalty. They offer companionship to people of all ages, from children who find joy in frolicking with their furry friends to elderly individuals who benefit from the comforting presence of a canine companion. Studies have shown that owning a dog can have positive effects on mental and physical health, reducing stress, loneliness, and promoting physical activity through regular walks and play. However, dogs face various challenges in the modern world, including overbreeding, irresponsible ownership, and issues related to animal welfare and homelessness. Shelters and rescue organizations work tirelessly to rehome abandoned and stray dogs, promoting responsible pet ownership through adoption, spaying/neutering programs, and educational outreach. In conclusion, dogs continue to hold a special place in human hearts as loyal companions, working partners, and cherished family members. Through responsible stewardship and appreciation for their innate qualities, we can ensure that dogs thrive alongside humans, enriching our lives with their boundless affection, companionship, and unwavering devotion. Service dogs. Text. Service dogs are specially trained canines that provide invaluable assistance to individuals with disabilities, offering a lifeline of independence and support. These highly trained dogs undergo rigorous training to perform specific tasks tailored to the needs of their handlers, making a profound impact on their daily lives. Service dogs assist individuals with a wide range of disabilities, including visual impairments, mobility limitations, hearing impairments, epilepsy, diabetes, and psychiatric conditions such as PTSD. Each service dog undergoes extensive training from a young age, learning to navigate environments, respond to commands, and perform tasks that mitigate their handler's disability. For individuals with visual impairments, guide dogs serve as trusted navigators, safely guiding them through streets, obstacles, and traffic. These dogs possess an innate ability to assess dangers and make split-second decisions to ensure their handler's safety. Through intensive training and bonding with their handlers, guide dogs develop a deep understanding of their routines and environments, forging a partnership built on trust and mutual reliance. Mobility assistance dogs provide crucial support to individuals with physical disabilities, helping with tasks such as retrieving objects, opening doors, turning on lights, and even assisting with balance and stability. These dogs undergo specialized training to respond to verbal and nonverbal commands, adapting their assistance based on their handler's specific needs and preferences. For individuals with hearing impairments, hearing dogs act as alert companions, notifying their handlers of important sounds such as doorbells, alarms, and approaching vehicles. These dogs are trained to make physical contact